So this is exactly how I was able to fix my Gamesir G7 wired controller not turning on. So firstly I had to get the cable that actually I got when I purchased the controller, of course, and then we had to insert it right here. So the other end is going to go into your PC or laptop, or it can also go into your Xbox if you want to, obviously. So you can see now it actually turns on for me. I had to click on the Xbox button and now it turns on, and you can see that it's being recognized by my PC here as well. The problem that I had before, I'm just gonna show you, was that you can see if I insert it like this and now click on the Xbox logo, it's not gonna work because I have to press it all the way in until you hear a click and then it's gonna turn on. So for a lot of people this is going to be the problem. You have to press it all the way down as much as you possibly can and then connect it to your PC or laptop, and this should automatically actually recognize the controller. Of course you can also connect it to your Xbox, that should also recognize it. Then just click on the Xbox logo. If this still isn't working for you, well then what you need to do is to grab another cable that also is USB-C and just use the other cable, because most likely then it's a cable issue, just so you know. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.